Hello guys, welcome to Domestic Tech Guide, where we teach you the basic domestic techniques on how to handle most of the electrical issues at home. Today I'm going to take you through on how to change or replace a faulty switch. The switch that we are going to replace today, it's a bit hard as you try to move the switch on or off position. But now the first thing we have to do before we do anything, opening or what, we have to identify where the power is coming from. So we first have to switch off the breaker, then after we shall come and open the switch so that we are safe from electric shock. So now after switching off our breaker, now we have to open the switch. We disconnect and before we bring in the new one. So let's open. You can see the screw is a minus, so we use a minus screwdriver to open. Now we have finished opening our switch. Now we have to disconnect the wires, one wire up and then the other one down. So I've disconnected that one in the lower one. So now I've finished disconnecting the switch. It has a problem when switching on and off, you have to use too much force, so we are going to replace. So this is our news. We are now free to open. When we open it, this is the behind part of it. It comes with the screws. You can see the screws are here. We have one here. These are the points where we connect. This one is a single gang two-way switch, but we are only connecting one, so we are going to use L1 and common. So these are the points where we shall push the wires, and the screws are down here. So we have to open a bit to give space for cable. So now after opening, now I have to put in the cable down on L1. So we push it in to make sure that the naked part is all inside. Then we tighten it from here, from where the screw is down here, to make sure that it is firm. So now we have finished that one. Now with the second wire, we put it on the common. So we also have to push in the cable. Now we are done terminating the two cables. Now we have to put back the switch. These are the ports where the screws go. There are two, both sides, this and this. So we push it in here. So now we are done putting our switch. You can see the switch is normal. Now let's go back and put back our breaker, then switch on and see if our light will go on. So I've been replaced properly. Now let's switch on the breaker. After switching on our breaker, let's switch on the switch and see.